I want to welcome all of our students, faculty, and guests to our College of Nursing induction ceremony. My name is Mary Ann Krogh, and I serve as the Dean for the College of Nursing. This milestone event marks the beginning of the nursing program for this wonderful group of students. Each of you has worked hard to earn a space in the nursing major. Thank you for joining us for this special evening. Founded in 1881 as the state's Morrill Act land-grant institution, South Dakota State University improves the quality of life through exemplary teaching, relevant research, and connected outreach. South Dakota State University is located on the ancestral territory of the Ochete-Shakowin, or Seven Council Fires, an alliance that consisted of the Santee, Yankton, and Teton Lakota. They are commonly known as Sioux by non-native people. The 7 tribes now occupy 9 different reservations in South Dakota. The 9 reservations are Cheyenne River Sioux Tribe, Crow Creek Sioux Tribe, Flandreau Santee Sioux Tribe, Lower Brule Sioux Tribe, Oglala Sioux Tribe, Rosebud Sioux Tribe, Sisseton Wahpeton Oyate, Standing Rock Sioux Tribe, and the Yankton Sioux Tribe. This serves as a reminder that before this site was called SDSU, it was home to Native nations indigenous to this location.
Our first group of inductees are part of the Aberdeen Accelerated Program. Mame Ampansa, Bailey Andrews, Christina Azimab, Sarah Bobineau, Melissa Ballard, Michaela Beckman, Kelly Biondi, Haley Bodner, Christopher Brooks, Taylor Catterson, Dennis Deep, Jeremiah Eldridge, Stephanie Ellis, Brianna Ferguson, Christopher Gorey, Courtney Grays, Casey Hanna, Adam Castigar, Tara Kotry, Ethan Klimish, Brianna Lisi, Kevin Maines, Taylor McCreary, Maria Oho, Uche Okonkwo, Maria Opine, Hannah Ostheimer, Jessica Hodel, Rebecca Racinos, Christina Bramici, Fadi Salib, Morgan Schonebaum, Sabina Simkata, Caitlin Tracy King, Asher Wall. Our next group of inductees has been admitted to the Accelerated Program at the Rapid City site. Jennifer Aldrin, Lori Boggs, Adam Duggar, Athena Estrada, Alicia Helgeland, Jesse Jeffries, Kaylin Call, Catherine Kinball, Caitlin Lundgren, Mariah Meeks, Anna Maria Mueisen Inskeep, Catherine Munson, Siobhan Natividad, Betha Peoples, Sam Trevine, Jingyi Zhen. Congratulations to all of our Accelerated Program inductees.
Our next group of inductees are part of our standard option cohort at the Brookings site. Greta Arndt, Clarissa Becker, Allison Boomsma, Serena Cardona, Maxwell Caruth, Dana Clausen, Joria Downing, Katie Driesen, Marion Duncanson, Bailey Farabee, Madison Fitch, Claire Gebhardt, Kalkadan Gizahimi, Holly Grundmeyer, Adeline Gapone, McKenna Haley, Callie Hanton, Paxton Heintz, Abigail Hellavang, Sydney Hoffman, Hannah Hoagie, Sadie Yacht, Diana Johnson, Bailey Jurgens, Mackenzie Kirby, Paige Close, Carter Knaus, Allison Knutson, Gabrielle Kocher, Seth Kuno, Jasmine Larson, Dayon Lee, Alexander Miller, Morgan Moeller, McKinley Nelson, Kylie Newhalfen, Sydney Nordmeyer, Brooke O'Connor, Carly Peters, Emily Peterson, Kaya Petik, Emily Pudwill, Maggie Reinard, Sydney Ranking, Prairie Retzer, Elizabeth Rizak, Abigail Risty, Kaylee Ross, Caden Runya, Gabrielle Santella, Abby Saylor, Jonathan Schopp, Joey Schmidt, Kaylee Schultz, Cassidy Smith, Emily Sobazak, Mackenzie Sorensen, Summer Steinhoff, Rachel Stout, Maureen Tolley, JC Turner, Ellie Walinga, Sydney Weaver, Grace Witherspoon. Congratulations to our Brookings inductees.
The next group of inductees we would like to recognize are from the standard option at the Rapid City site. Amy Aldrich, Mary Bothan, Bridget Bowman, Caleb Buckley, April Sahosky, Haley Crosswaite, Emily Decker, Kira Ennen, Brianna Frankenstein, Brady Freeland, Marcus Klein, Melissa Krall, Kylie Miller, Leah Mosley, Nadia Nikoloska, Abigail Noltner, Mallory Olstead, Naomi Orina, Jonathan Pyra, Claire Reed, McKaylee Reynolds, Lillian Schneider, Savannah Sewell, Aaron Starika, Cora Tobin, Madeline Traver, Adam Van Bakove, Lorraine Vigil, Basil Wangukwa, Emily Zietlow. Congratulations to our Rapid City Standard inductees.
Our final group of inductees are part of our standard option cohort at the Sioux Falls site. Brianna Eikens, Caitlin Alsdorf, Miranda Anderson, Ashley Arians, Kaylee Backman, Bailey Bakken, Hunter Berglund, Kaylee Bertrand, Autumn Borio, Manuela Bogdanovich, Praise Bothwell, Ashley Drew, Kylie Fair, Jenna Gardeman, Chantel Hardman, Madeline Hochstein, Abigail Hugendorn, Rachel Ireland, Remington Kurt, Annie Cruz, Bailey Kubal, Brianna Leach, Callie Lynn, Kennedy Marlowe, Reynalda Martinez, Austin Moores, James Murray, Shaylee Parker, Keena Pershai, Trevor Petrick, Riley Pohar, Madison Rathjen, Tyler Resick, Melissa Reedy, Kennedy Schumacher, Amaya Smith, Shannon Sokolowski, Melissa Teal, Jessica Tofflin, Hannah Vandy Stroot, Jessica Vandenbrink, Gabriella Wirtz, Garen Wilcox, Kaylee Wingen, Samantha Wiseman, Katrina Zolka. Congratulations to our Sioux Falls inductees.
At this time, we ask that inductees please stand and join me in reciting the Professional Nursing Pledge. As a nurse dedicated to providing the highest quality care and services, I solemnly pledge that I will consider the welfare of humanity and relief of suffering my primary concerns, act in a compassionate and trustworthy manner in all aspects of my care, apply my knowledge, experience, and skills to the best of my ability to assure optimal outcomes for my patients, exercise sound professional judgment while abiding by legal and ethical requirements, accept the lifelong obligation to improve my professional knowledge and competence, promote, advocate for, and strive to protect the health, safety, and rights of the patient. With this pledge, I accept the duties and responsibilities that embody the nursing profession. I take this oath voluntarily, with the full realization of the responsibility with which I am entrusted by the public. Congratulations and welcome to the nursing major. If you haven't already, each of you will find messages of encouragement and congratulations in your coat pocket. We have very high hopes for you to find personal fulfillment in your educational journey. Before we conclude our program, we would like to acknowledge all of the induction ceremony sponsors who are listed on the screen. We thank you for your support. Thank you for joining us this evening for our induction ceremony.